Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning.
We just wanted to come on here and let you know that today is the absolute last day for our September giveaway.
If you place an order through the website and you spend $50 subtotal without shipping, your name gets entered into the drawing, which will happen October 7th on our live. You have a chance, actually there's 3 gifts this time instead of just 1. You have a large beginner kit, you have a small beginner kit, and you have a starter pack. Ryan will post the links to those items so you can get an idea of what they are.
I'll post the links in the description. You can go check them out to know exactly what is in each one of those kits.
So there will be 3 winners.
That will be 6 p.m. Pacific time next Friday. I think it's the 7th.
I think it's the 7th.
Yeah. So we're kind of excited about that. We wanted to give you guys one last chance. Now the $50 increment, if you order multiples of that, if it's $100 net, then you get entered twice. For every $50 increment, you get another entry into the pot.
And another thing we wanted to do is Dad and I just got back from Arkansas and we got some awesome gifts.
So I have to show mine first because I love it. So Jonathan Armistead carved me this. So he carved this for me.
How cool is that?
Yes, and that's cool. And I want to turn it around. He just draws this out with like a Sharpie, and then carves it. I think he's taken some lessons from Henry Satterfield. And then he carved, that's his signature, and it says, "Thanks for all you do," from Jonathan. So, and this is his logo, or his little mark.
He likes the little scorpion,
Yes. So I love it. I love gnomes. So thank you, Jonathan. And then we also got from
Gail Williams.
Gail Williams. I'm sorry, Gail. I wanted to call you Carol. So she made these pens, and these are so cool. We each got one. Mine is cedar.
Mine's zebra with bolt-action bullet shape.
And mine's Bacote, right? Bacote wood and with the gold bolt action.
Awesome.
But we love these things, Gail.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
Thanks so much,
So don't forget, tonight, midnight, is the cutoff. You won't get entered in if your order comes in after midnight. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email, eric@makeawoodsign.com, vicky@makeawoodsign.com, or ryan@makeawoodsign.com. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and we will see y'all later.
We got exciting projects coming up, so don't forget.
Yes.
Just keep watching.
Yep. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Love you. Bye.